is Bob Hamilton. I'm a pediatrician. I've been doing it now for about 30 years. One of the great joys I've had in life is I've been able to care for literally thousands of newborn children. One of the challenges that pediatricians have in taking care of children is trying to communicate clear and precise information to their parents. A lot of times over a baby who's crying very, very loud. And I have utilized a technique that I call the hold over the years, which is very helpful in calming children and keeping them quiet. So today I'd like to show you how I do that. This is simple hold. I think you'll understand. Come with me now into one of my consultation rooms. I'll show you how I do it. Here we have a crying baby, and he just got a shot here. So this is Ashton, and here's what we do. So we pick up Ashton. I fold his right arm like this, and then his left arm in front, and then very gently hold his arms like this, hold his little bottom, and gently rock him up and down, just like that. And even though he just got a shot, look at that leg. That's a big ouch on that leg there. You can see that you can comfort him and quiet him. Again, I'm holding with my right hand his little bottom. I'm gently shaking him back and forth. We rock him up and down very gently. Sometimes we stir him to the left and we stir him to the right. And there's our baby. Here we have another little crying baby who just got a shot, and I'm going to go ahead and pick up this little guy. And again, I take his left arm, his right arm, I'm sorry, and put it across his body, then his left arm across the body like that. I hold it, grab his little bottom, and very gently rock him up and down. They at a 45-degree angle. You can see that he comforts pretty quickly, really. This is a good baby. I shake his little booty like that. I gently rock him. Everything you do is very gentle. You don't want to do jerking motions ever. You hold the child with the fleshy part of your hands, not with your fingertips, okay? And again, I am supporting his chin. He's lifting his head up here, which is why you hold him at a 45-degree angle. You never want to put him like this because they can throw their head back and you can lose control of the baby very quickly. And you can see I'm rolling my finger around his chin, and look at him. This is a content little baby. He just got a shot. But he goes, "I'm tough, Dr. Hamilton. I can do that." So this is a good baby. So there you have it. We've met a couple of beautiful babies and lovely mothers. And to recap, I'd like to go through 4 points. Number 1, you fold the arms across the chest. Number 2, you secure the arms after they're folded. Number 3, you gently grab the diaper area with your dominant hand. And then number 4, at a 45-degree angle, you gently rock the baby up and down. You can shake their booty, and generally, by doing this, the child will quiet down. Finally, if your baby does not quiet down, think about 2 things. Maybe your baby's not feeling well, they're ill, or number 2, maybe your baby is hungry. Finally, I find that the hold is very helpful for the first 2 to 3 months of age. After that, your baby becomes too heavy, and it's very difficult to hold a baby at that point. So hopefully this is helpful to you. Thank you for your attention.